Hello everyone. Today we are going to do the next topic of the same chapter, Nature and Significance of Business. And the topic we'll discuss today is trade and its types. Now, first we'll understand the meaning of trade. Trade refers to a process where we are purchasing and procuring goods and services with the objective of profit. वील अंडरस्टैंड इन अ ईजियर वे इट इज़ अ प्रोसेस जहाँ पर हम लोग या तो गुड्स को प्रोड्यूस करते हैं या तो वी आर प्रोड्यूसिंग गुड्स और प्रोक्यूरिंग देम. प्रोक्यूरिंग का मतलब होता है टू बाई इट फ्रॉम समवन एंड टू सेल इट टू समवन. किसी से खरीद के किसी और को बेचने को बोलते हैं प्रोक्यूरिंग. तो इन ट्रेड या तो वी आर प्रोड्यूसिंग बाय आवर सेल्फ और वी आर buying it from someone and selling it to some other person. It can be both goods and services. So the and with the most important thing is with the motive of earning profit. So here the motive is our profit and there is an exchange or production of goods and services. There is an exchange with the most important medium, that is money. Means whatever we are exchanging goods or services, they are being exchanged with the help of the medium known as money. Now the people who does these things, trade is another name for business as such. So trade में the one who does the trade is known as the traders, and the traders are the link between the producers and the real customers or consumers. They are a link, or they are the chain between the producers and the consumer. वो एक तरीके का मीडियम है बिटवीन द प्रोड्यूसर जो गुड्स प्रोड्यूस करते हैं एंड टू द अल्टीमेट कंज्यूमर और कस्टमर्स जो उन प्रोडक्ट्स को खरीदते हैं. तो from the producer to the consumer, when the products are being transferred, they are done with the medium of trade. Trade is the medium through which these transaction or these exchange are being done. They also bring about the equitable distribution of goods. They help to equally distribute the goods among the society. They are from producers, they are taken to from the producers sell them to the wholesalers, then wholesalers to the retailers, and the retailers provide them to the ultimate consumer, and then they spread their product all over in an equitable manner. That is trade. The types of trades are home trade and foreign trade. There are two types, home trade and foreign trade. First we will understand the meaning of home trade. From the word itself kids, you will understand what is home trade, which is also known as internal trade or domestic trade. In this type of trade, there is sale and purchase of goods and services within the boundary of the country. We do not buy or sell things beyond our country. Whatever is done within our country itself. It means that the buyer and the seller both belong to the same country, same currency. The currency also is not required to change. Whatever trade is being done, whatever business is being done, is done within the boundaries of one country. And in this home trade are of two type: wholesale trade and retail trade. We all are a little bit we all know a little bit about wholesale trade. So wholesale trade में क्या होता है बेटा? When we buy in bulk from the producers or the industries, when we buy quantity of goods in larger quantities from these producers or industries and sell them to the retailers. So the and the people who does that are known as wholesalers. जो बल्क में सामान खरीदते हैं प्रोड्यूसर से और फिर सेल करते हैं उसको स्मॉलर अमाउंट्स में रिटेलर से. They are a type of link between the producer and the retailers. So they act as a link कि producer कैसे retailer तक पहुँचेगा. There are so many retailers, so there is a link between both of them, that is wholesalers. Many of you must be thinking कि आजकल तो we can buy it सीधे. So nowadays it is very easy that we go online and buy it from the direct producer, and that is why we get things cheaper. That is going on these days. But we have to understand the meaning of wholesale trade. तो wholesale trade में क्या होता है? Buy in larger quantity from the producer, sell it in smaller quantity to the retailers. Wholesalers are link between the retailers and the producers. Who are the retailers? The retailers are the one who are a link between the wholesaler and consumers. They buy in larger quantities from the wholesalers and sell in smaller quantities to the consumers. So they are known as the retailers. They may at times the producers they buy goods, the retailers buy goods from the producers also directly. So maybe at times they do not require wholesaler as a link. They can directly buy from the producer also, but mostly there is a chain. The chain says from producer to wholesaler, wholesaler to retailer, and from retailer it is the ultimate consumers. This chain in today's scenario can easily change. Many of you must be thinking ki online now we can buy it from this direct producer. Yes, you are correct. Now we can, there is this chain has been broken down and we can directly buy things from the producers also. But we have to understand the meaning of wholesaler and retailer. Retailer is the person who does retail trade. Next is the foreign trade. Foreign means obviously out of the country. That is, we also call it external trade or international trade, where the buying and selling of goods takes place between two or more countries. When we buy goods from one country and sell it, or we sell goods to other country, so there are many problems in that. You can understand, you can think about it. When we are trading with other country, that there are different laws, the currencies are different, shipping of products and through airways or ships are very difficult. The rules and regulations are very different for both the countries. We have to get our products insured. If we marine insurance is very expensive, so if we get our products insured, then these products when they reach our country they become very expensive. So there are problems involved in international trade, but we have to be a global citizen. We need to trade with other countries also to stay in the global market. If we are importing goods or we are buying things from the other country, we are selling it also. When we are selling it, we are earning more amount of profit. See, we sell things in international market only those goods are being sold which are in excess. Government will not allow us things to export which are very scarce, या जो products हमारे देश में कम है, we cannot export them. We export those goods which are in abundance, जो हमारे यहाँ अपनी यूज से ज़्यादा है. We sell those goods out of the country and earn more amount of प्रॉफिट. यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड, बाहर कंट्री में भेजेंगे ज़्यादा प्रॉफिट होगा, बट सिर्फ उन्हीं गुड्स को जो हमारी कंट्री में बहुत ज़्यादा है, जो कंजम्पशन जितना हम कंज्यूम कर सकते हैं, यूज़ कर सकते हैं, उससे जो ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट है, ओनली दोज प्रोडक्ट्स कैन बी एक्सपोर्टेड आउट ऑफ द country. They are of three types. Foreign trade is divided into three parts: export trade, import trade, interport trade. I think you all must be having a little idea of it. Just a recall: export trade when we sell goods to foreign country, जब हम अपनी कंट्री से दूसरी कंट्री में सामान बेचते हैं, then it is known as export trade. जैसे इंडिया exports jute, tea, rice, all these things are which are being exported from India to other countries. Import, when we purchase goods from, जैसे we take most important thing, petrol. Why is petrol very expensive? Because we buy it from some other country, we have to give so much of taxes and all. That is why it is very expensive in our country. So these things, when we sell, it is export. When we buy from other countries, then it is import. Now what is interport? It means importing, buying goods from one country for the purpose of exporting to the other country. See, I'll give you a very simple example. Must have gone with your mother to the market. मम्मी एक शॉप पर जाती है जो हाँ वो हमेशा जाती है, एंड ही आस्क कि भैया आपके पास ये चीज़ है. अगर भैया जी के पास नहीं होगी, भैया जी विल टेल हिज सर्वेंट टू रन एंड गेट इट फ्रॉम सम अदर शॉप, so that the customer does not go anywhere. So what is he doing? He is buying it from someone and selling it to your mother. So in the same way, in case of interport, we buy it from someone and we sell it to the other country. For example, India imports certain commodity from European countries and send them to Nepal and Bhutan. These, because there are conditions, rules and regulation, tax policies, there are many things because of which India buy it, and there are conditions why Nepal and Bhutan cannot buy it directly from Europe, but India can. So India buy it and then they export it to the other neighboring countries. So a quick revision, types of trade we have done: two, home trade, foreign trade. Home trade के दो parts, wholesale trade, retail trade. And foreign trade, there are three parts to it: export, import and interport. Please prepare the notes, go through the PPT, take references, use your own language but commercial keywords, and give your best. Thank you.